So I'd like to just highlight one thing because it's just new. So we have a brand new initiative that was just launched, and I think it also speaks to how we're always trying to fill gaps in the research endeavors that are ongoing. And in that regard, we have reached out to young investigators to make sure they have an opportunity to compete effectively and to get funding. It's important to bring the researchers up the community. And we're actually specifically reaching out to new investigators, those that have not been funded previously in the MPN research area, but we're not only asking them to be new, we're asking them to bring a brand new idea. So that now, again, sometimes the research, which is great, continues to focus on what we can do and how we can build on what we have, but we want new ideas as well.